Hello crafters, I'm coming back in with another fun KSCraft design team project, and today I am using their Valentine's Day gnome collection as well as the Galentine sentiment, and I use a smaller one in this. And I just think you're going to love what we're going to make today, and if you are a gnome lover, you are definitely going to love this little fun process video. I do show you a process video on just one of these cards to prevent the video from being forever long. But anyway, guys, I hope you all like these. Don't forget to visit the KSCraft Lover store. I'll have all those links down below in the description box. Let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So guys, this die is just so stinking cute. First of all, it looks like you have 5 different hats, so you can make 5 different gnomes. You also have a heart balloon. You have another balloon right here. You have a couple different bows and arrows. You have the left, the bee mine, and of course you have your little backing pieces if you want to layer them. And so I just think it is so precious. Look at these tiny little hearts. You could use that, you know, inside a shaker or whatever, or you can just use them around your project. I just think this is so stinking cute. You could even add it on one of the hats. Absolutely. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you the paper pad that I'm going to be using today is the Heartfelt Creations Patchwork Daisy Collection. And I thought this was perfect for Valentine's because it has the pinks and purples, and they're really like, look at that. That would be a cute little card right there. I just love the patterns in here and the colors. So definitely fun and pretty. And so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to cut out all the pieces using probably lots of different colors. So it's going to take me a minute. But anyway, I'll see you in just a second. Okay, so I cut out all my pieces. I did several different colors of pattern paper, solid colored cardstock. You know, I did white and black and pink and, you know, just kind of all sorts. I especially did a lot of the white. That way I could color it in if I felt like I needed to. And then I decided that with the paper pad that I'm using, with the little items that were 6 by 6, so the cards are actually 6 by 6. So what I went ahead and did was I decided to make 2 cards, which those are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I Googled it, you know, for US letter sizes. Okay. And so then when I came up with that size right there, hold on, I'm sorry. Let me get this out of the way. They're just sticking there. Okay. So yeah, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And what I did was I just kind of scored it down the center there. And I did this one normal. And then this one I wanted to do, I don't know, like a vertical, I guess is what you call it. So this is horizontal. This is vertical. So I thought I would do a couple vertical ones because I don't normally make those. So I thought that would be fun to try out. I also did my base pattern at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So basically I'm covering over the purple. I'm okay with that. So I did 3 of those. And then I also picked out some of the coordinating 6 by 6 cards, and I cut those to a little shorter than 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So it's almost 5 1/4, just not exactly. Okay. And I did that so that you could basically see the outline a little bit better, but then it wouldn't be so small that I couldn't fit words on there or sentiments, and of course my gnomes. So let's go ahead and get started with the process video. guys, I just love how these turned out. I think they're so stinking cute. I think this one is probably my favorite, but I do love them all. I think this paper collection by Heartfelt Creations was a perfect combination for these, and I think it turned out super cute. I can't wait to send these to someone. So anyway, if you guys are interested in purchasing this, don't forget to check out the description box below. I will have the KSCraft lovers links for you, as well as their Amazon shop too, if it is in the Amazon shop. And I will be seeing you all soon with another project. Bye, guys.